Good morning children. Welcome to the session 2020 to 2021 and a warm welcome to Standard 6th. I am Mrs. Madhuri Kerapuri. This year I will teach you science. Children, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Yes, and maybe waiting for the school. Yes, the time has come. Let us begin with the phrase, when you face difficult time, you know that challenges are not sent to destroy you, they are sent to strengthen you. So welcome all the challenges and accept the virtual teaching. I hope you all will enjoy it. Yes? Now, this is our science textbook, General Science, Standard 6th. Book is child-centered, enjoyable and interesting. The main objective of this book is to inculcate a scientific attitude among the children. This is the cover page, front page of the textbook. Some activities are shown here to clear the concept related to lesson. This is the back page of the textbook. See here, various types of flowers are shown. This is the biodiversity on the Kars Plateau. This garden is near Nasik. You children have a lot of curiosity. However, the real objective of learning science is to learn to think about the world and all the events that takes place in it. Science helps us to develop social consciousness, awareness about conservation of the environment and adopt in handling technology as well. It is expected that at the end of the session, child should develop some learning skills. These are the learning outcomes and the competency. For different lessons, different competencies are there. You should learn it during the lesson. For example, in living world, it is expected that child should be able to identify the material and the organism, differentiate and classify based on their properties. They should understand measuring the physical quantities and express its SI units. They should be able to draw diagrams, flow charts of organisms and the processes. They should be able to construct models using material from surroundings and explain their working. For example, pinhole camera, periscope, electric torch, etc. They should make some efforts to protect the environment. For example, minimizing wastage of food, uses of water, uses of electricity, generation of waste, spreading awareness to adopt rainwater harvesting, care for plants, etc. They should also be able to exhibit creativity in designing, making use of available resources and planning. Values of honesty, objectivity, cooperation, freedom from fear and prejudice. Comparative study of stars, planets, satellites, asteroids by observing them in the universe. They should also be able to collect information of different concepts, processes by using internet and a different ICT technology. Now this is the content page. This year you have total 16 lessons. First 8 lessons are for the first term. And the next 8 lessons, that is 9 to 16, are for the second term. Lesson number 4, disaster management, it is for the project. You will get the clear-cut idea how to make the project when our classes will start. This project carries 10 marks. I will tell you in detail when this lesson will come. For the first formative, you will have first 3 lessons. Lesson 1, natural resources. 2, the living world. 3rd, diversity in living things and their classification. This is all about this syllabus. These are some common instructions. Make 100 pages practical copy, cover and label it properly. Read the statements of competencies. Read the lesson before teacher teach you. While studying, sit with book, copy and pen. Let us learn about the evaluation. Evaluation by examination and internal evaluation will be there. For the first term, formative 1, examination carry 25 marks, summative 1, theory 40 marks and a practical examination 10 marks. Total 75 marks for the first term, and for the second term the same pattern is followed. This is the evaluation by examination. Then internal evaluation. For first term you will have activity. These activities are taken in the class, means during the lesson we have some activities and you children have to take initiative for those activities. That is the teacher's observation, and accordingly you get the marks. Project, that I will explain you, 10 marks. Homework, regular homework, whatever the teacher is telling should be done, that carry 5 marks. In this way, internal evaluation carry 25 marks, means 75 plus 25. For each term you will have total 100 marks. This is all about the syllabus. When you read any lesson, you will have to find, can you recall, can you tell, try this, use your brain power, always remember, do you know. In each lesson you will find all these things. So, can you recall is for reviving the related topics already learned. Can you tell is introducing the topic by bringing together what the children might already know about the topic. Try this is meant to give some specific experience. Use your brain power makes you to apply the knowledge gained. Always remember, give some important instructions or values. The sections Find Out, Do You Know and Science Watch are to create an awareness of the vast information that cannot be included in the textbook and to inculcate the habit of doing reference work independently. So children, now you are ready with the formal information. In the next lecture, we will start our first lesson, that is natural resources. Thank you.